Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your English class and I am your teacher Rabia Bhai. Your exercise of unit number 3 written in March, page number 28 and question number 3. This is a question. Complete the following words by writing missing letters. I'll not write it on the board. I'll just tell you and you will write on your books. Question number 3, page number 28. Complete the following words by writing missing letters. The first word is stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. You have to write E in the blank. This will become stream. Okay. The second word is field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. You will write E in the blank. Third word is bear. B-A-R-E. Bear. You will write R in the blank. The next word is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. You will write E in the blank. And the fifth last word is prevailing. P-R-E-V-A-I-L-I-N-G. Prevailing means you will write A in the blank. Now, question number 4. Write true or false with the following lines. This you will write on your books. Number 1 is the small birds glitter. This is false. Small birds twitter, not glitter. The lake glitter. So, this is wrong statement. You will write here false. Number 2, there are 40 feeding like one. This is true. There were the 40 cows who were feeding like one. This is true statement. You will write here true. The third one is on the top of the green hill. This is false because it was on the top of the bare hill, not green hill. So this is false statement. Number 4 is and now doth fare ill. This is true. This is exactly the statement that is given in the poem. And now doth fare ill. This is true. Number 5 is the rain is over and come. This is false because the true statement in the poem is the rain is over and gone. But here the statement is given the rain is over and come. So this is false statement. Now come to the page number 29, unit number 3 and question number 5. You will do this question on the book. Student, make it clear that you have to write the questions on neat copies. And those questions are question answers, means comprehension you will do on your neat copies. Then the sentences, the missing letters, the synonyms, the antonyms. These are the 5 types of questions that you have to do on your neat copies. If your unit is a poem, then you will have to write the stanza paraphrasing on the neat copy and you have also write the summary on your neat copy. And the remaining questions you will do on your book. The question number 5, match column A with column B. Now, in column A, the words we have been given are birds, kettle, field, clouds, boy, sky. Now, column B. In column B, we are given the words whooping, blue, sailing, twitter, grazing, green. Now, we have to match the words of column A with the words of column B. Now, birds twitter, cattle grazing, field green. Clouds, sailing. Boy, whooping. And sky, blue. I'm again repeating. Birds, twitter. Kettle, grazing. Field, green. Clouds, sailing. Boy, whooping. Sky, blue. Now come to the question number 6 and part C. Complete the following mind map about the activities of different natural things, birds, animals and human beings in spring season. You have been given the mind map, and here you have to fill this map with the activities that occur on natural level. The activities of different things, the activities of animals, the activities of birds and the activities of human beings that you have read in this poem written in March. Now some activities are given to you. The topic of this mind map is spring season, and you have to write different activities that occur on natural level. You are given very first activity, stream is flowing. Here misprinting, it is written lowing, not lowing, flowing. F is missing. Stream is flowing. This is an activity that occurs in spring season on natural level. Then second activity is birds twitter. Then third activity you are given, green field sleeps. Here has been written leaps. Here S is missing. It is sleeps. Green field sleeps. Now you have to write 5 more activities. You have been given the 5 boxes and you have to write 5 more activities. Now the fourth activity, snow is melting. You may write another activity on natural level, that is snow is melting. Then fountains throwing water with full force. I am repeating again, fountains throwing water with full force. Throwing spellings are THROWING. Now the next activity, sky is clear. Sky is blue. Sky is clear. And the next, old and young are doing their work. Old and young are doing their work. The next activity, pleasant sun is shining. Pleasant sun is shining. Pleasant spellings are PLEASANT. Pleasant. Pleasant sun is shining. Now these are the activities that occur on natural level, that are done by the birds, by the animals, by the human beings, that are mentioned in your mind map, and we have completed it by adding 5 more activities that occur in the nature. Now come to the page number 31 and question number 7. Question number 7, part B. I'll do the part A in detail in my next lecture. So page number 31, question number 7, come to the part B. Read the sets of 4 words given below. Circle 2 synonyms in each set of words. Now you may have a look of my book. This question number 7 part B, you have been giving the synonyms. You have been given the 4 synonyms. You may say the pair of 4 synonyms, and you have to encircle a pair of synonym, means two synonyms that are the same words. Now the very first one is that has been solved by the book: hot, chilly, comfortable and cool. Now chilly and cool, they are the similar words, they are the synonyms. So we will do in the same way. We will encircle the you may say the synonyms, the similar words in the next lines. Now number 1, walk, crawl, stroll, run. I have already encircled walk and stroll. These are the synonyms. Now number 2, argue, scare, confuse, frighten. Now scare and frighten, these are the synonyms. Now number 3, cook, drink, eat, munch. Now here are eat and munch. I have encircled wrong, not drink, eat and munch. These are the synonyms. Again I am repeating, eat and munch. Number 4, record, paint, draw, sketch. Now draw and sketch, these are synonyms. Draw and sketch, these are synonyms. Okay. Now question number C. Read the sets of 4 words given below. Circle the pairs of words that are antonyms in each set. Again you have been given a set of 4 antonyms, 4 words, and among those 4 words there are 2 antonyms, and you have to encircle those 2 antonyms. Antonyms means the opposite words. Now the very first set of 4 words is play, safe, watch, dangerous. Now here safe and dangerous, these are antonyms. Number 2, tidy, lost, move, messy. Here tidy and messy, these are antonyms, tidy and messy. Okay, number 3, tired, give, sleepy, energetic. Now here sleepy and energetic, these are the antonyms. Now number 4, dawn, sunset, duck, lawn. Now dawn and sunset, these are the antonyms. Number 5, more, hungry, less. Here is more and less, these are the antonyms. More and less. Now students, come to the third point. Here I have to correct the antonyms. Here tired and energetic, these are the antonyms. Tired and energetic, not sleepy and energetic. Tired and energetic, please recorrect it. Tired and energetic, these are the antonyms. Okay students, now your exercise is almost complete, and just your question number 7 part A and your question number 2 word sentences, they are left. Inshallah, in my next lecture I'll complete these 2 questions. So till my next lecture, Allah Hafiz.